ICT concepts are one of the most talked about approaches in trading. So let's simplify them, explain what they are and why they matter. So now then, in order to make money using the ICT method, you first of all need to, of course, know what is ICT in the first place. And you also need to be able to differentiate between the hype and the truth about ICT. So let's take a close look here. So first of all, what is ICT? Well, ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader, and this is actually probably the most viral trading method on the internet. ICT has been popular for a while now, multiple years. Don't really remember when it started, but it's definitely one of the most common trading methods out there. And to be honest, I have actually been very hesitant to make an ICT video, even though many of you guys have been asking, please make a course on ICT and so on and so on. And the reason for this is that I really dislike how ICT is being taught. Many of the concepts are completely wrong, but many of the concepts are very good, and I will try to teach them in this video. But the problem with ICT, there are many problems with ICT, but one of the big problems is what I'm gonna talk to now, and that is this claim. Because he basically claims that there is a secret banking algorithm called IPDA that controls the entire global market just to sort of trap and screw over small traders, retail traders like me and you. And this right here, if you really start to think about it, it actually makes no sense at all, because we need to understand, what is a market in the first place? Well, a market is, consists of millions, or it depends on what market, but thousands or sometimes millions of, different people that have different psychology, different motives, that are all trading with each other. And one single algorithm, even though this sounds pretty compelling, it sounds very interesting, there's some bad guy behind the scenes that control everything. Well, during this course, you will start to understand more and more why this is completely, completely not true. So the truth here is that there is no secret algorithm. But what ICT has basically done is that he has taken old concepts. Many of the concepts are, 100 years old or older, and he has been sort of, repackaging these concepts, changed them a little bit. And this is why, many of the things he teaches actually are useful, and you will learn about the useful concepts in this course. However, the way he teaches them, I feel like is not the best way at all. So as I said, I will try to keep this course super clear and simple. So my goal today, and our goal today, is that we are going to, translate the confusing ICT dictionary and the confusing concepts and the good concepts into clear and simple English, so you can actually start applying these concepts and as a result make money. But right, so let's start here with a very important concept. This video was just a very short clip from our full ICT trading course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.